I mushed from Point Barren through a blizzard of snow. Been out prospecting for 2 years or so. Pulled into Fairbanks, the city was a boom. So I took a little stroll to the Red Dog Saloon. As I walked in the door, the music was clear. The prettiest voice I had heard in 2 years. The song she was singing made a man's blood run cold. When it's springtime in Alaska, it's 40 below.
When it's springtime in Alaska, it's 40 below.
It was red-headed Lil who was singing so sweet. I reached down and took the snowpacks off my feet. I reached for the gal who was singing the tune. We did the Eskimo hop all around the saloon. With a caribou crawl and a grizzly bear hug, we did our dance on a Kodiak rug. The song she kept singing made a man's blood run cold. When it's springtime in Alaska, it's 40 below. I was as innocent as I could be. I didn't know Lil was Big Ed's wife to be. He took out his knife and he gave it a throw. When it's springtime in Alaska, I'll be 6 feet below.
When it's springtime in Alaska, he'll be 6 feet below.
It's winter time and the weather's fine, with snow on the woods and field when I reveal my snowmobile. Thrill by gully and hill, baby, it'll make you feel like an outdoor meal on a snowmobile. Listen to the sound when the belts go round, when the winter carnival's here. And oh, what fun at the crack of the gun when the whole gang disappear. The race is on from the bush to the pond and back where the judges feel you've won their seal. For the snowmobile, you've won their seal. For the snowmobile, where skiers ski and skaters be and snowshoes lend appeal like a bogey wheel on a snowmobile. We tip the glass to the northern lass, for she won't let you kneel, she'd rather squeal on a snowmobile. You're off to the town when the word goes round, it's winter carnival time. In goggles, boots and a snowproof suit, your sweetheart's on your mind. You win the race and you see her face and you know that she must feel you've got a real good snowmobile. Yeah, you got a real good snowmobile. Now down the street you can hear the feet and the clicking of the dancer's heel when the fiddlers peel off a ragtime reel. You dance and tear with an I don't care, and away back home you'll wheel over hill and field on a snowmobile. Through a golden glow on powdered snow when the moon comes rolling along. On the homeward trail you can hear the wail of the whole gang singing a song. If tomorrow's clear with fishing gear, we'll head for a lake trout meal with a rod and a reel and a snowmobile. Life can be real with a snowmobile.
Well, way up in Alaska, the state that stands alone, there's a dog race run from Anchorage to Nome. And it's a grueling race with a lightning pace, where the chilly winds do wail beneath the northern lights cross snow and the ice that's called the Iditarod Trail. Well, give me a team and a good lead dog and a sled that's built so fine, and let me race those miles to Nome 1049. Then when I get back to my home, hey, I can tell my tale I did the Iditarod Trail. Well, the race, it won't be easy for the masters of the trail, and some of them will make it and some of them will fail. But just to run that race takes a tough and a hardy breed, and a lot of work done by the dogs that run across snow with a whistle and speed. Well, give me a team and a good lead dog and a sled that's built so fine, and let me race those miles to Nome 1049. Then when I get back to my home, hey, I can tell my tale. I did the Iditarod Trail. Well, I just pulled out of safety, I'm on the trail all alone. I'm doing fine and I'm picking up time and I'm running on in the Nome. There are no sled tracks in front of me and no one on my tail. I did the Iditarod Trail. Well, give me a team and a good lead dog and a sled that's built so fine, and let me race those miles to Nome 1049. Then when I get back to my home, hey, I can tell my tale. I did the Iditarod Trail. I did the Iditarod Trail. I did the Iditarod Trail.
Someday I'll go back to Alaska, dig my roots in way down deep, keep the fire slowly burning and let it sing me to sleep. Lie beneath the northern lights, live a simple life out where wildflowers grow. I can taste the honey wild, Mother Nature's child. I'll take it soft and slow. Someday I'll go. Someday I'll go. Someday I'll go. Someday I'll go back to Alaska, build my house beside the woods, spend my mornings down by the river. Ooh, wondering when things got this good. Lie beneath the northern lights, live a simple life out where wildflowers grow. I can taste the honey wild, Mother Nature's child. I'll take it soft and slow. Someday I'll go. Someday I'll go. Someday I'll go. Where the mountains and trees sing sweet melodies, dig my roots in down deep and grow. Someday I'll go back to Alaska. Lie beneath the northern lights, live a simple life out where wildflowers grow. I can taste the honey wild, Mother Nature's child. I'll take it soft and slow. Someday I'll go. Someday I'll go. Someday I'll go.
oasis dreams that took my breath away. Moving slowly through westward water, over the glacial plains, and I walked off you, and I walked off an old me. Oh me, oh my, I thought it was a dream, so it seems.